awake, longing inside for my Father's embrace. Sometimes at night I'd wander downstairs, pray he'd return. No one was there. Oh, how I cried, a child all alone, waiting for him to come home. My Father's chair sat in an empty room. My Father's chair covered with sheets and bloom. My Father's chair through all the years. Oh, the tears I cried in vain. No one was there in my Father's chair. Sometimes at night I sit all alone, drifting to sleep in a chair of my own, when sweet sleepy eyes peer down from the hall, frightened by dreams they cannot recall, holding them close, calming their fears, praying they always will say. My Father's chair sat in a loving room. My Father's chair, no matter what I do. My Father's chair through all the years. Oh, the tears I need not fear. Love's always there in my Father's chair. Sometimes at night I dream of a throne with my loving God calling me home, and as I appear he rises and smiles, reaches with love to welcome his child, never to cry, never to fear, in his arms safe and secure. My Father's chair sits in a royal room. My Father's chair holds glory beyond the tomb. My Father's chair, my God is there, and I am his eternally. Someday I'll share